A serial killer's latest request has been denied.
William Reese confessed to several crimes between Oklahoma and Texas in the late 80s and into the 90s. He filed an appeal with the State Court of Criminal Appeals, trying to overturn his sentence and get a new hearing.
Longtime Oklahomans will certainly remember this. KOCO's Jason Berger joining us live tonight in Bethany. Jason, this court ruling, of course, goes back to the murder case of Tiffany Johnson.
Guys, that's right. This case actually starts right here at this car wash here in Bethany. Tiffany's car was found here. Her keys were even still in it at the time, but she was not found until the next day.
I believe he should die for murdering Tiffany.
Tiffany Johnson was just 19 years old when she was found dead on the side of I-40 west of Yukon in 1997. She stopped at this car wash in Bethany before William Reese strangled her to death.
It'll never be easier because I don't believe even when he dies, it still won't bring Tiffany back.
We reached out to Tiffany's mom, Kathy, for comment today, but did not hear back. But she's been very vocal about her daughter's case throughout the years, attending many of Reese's hearings.
We watched him all these years. We watched him in court. We watched him in the motion hearings. And he has no remorse for killing Tiffany. It's just a game to him.
In a new decision from the Oklahoma Court of Criminal Appeals filed Thursday, judges unanimously upheld Reese's death penalty sentence. Reese's legal team also applied for more evidence to be submitted for a new hearing, which did not happen. In the new court documents, they say, quote, "We have found no individually harmful errors and further find no accumulation of prejudicial effects from individually harmless errors."
Hearing all the women that he hurt and how much everyone suffered at his hands, he deserves way worse.
Reese confessed to killing Johnson in 2016. Nearly 20 years passed without a suspect in Tiffany's case. He has also been convicted and tied to 3 murders in Texas. He admitted to kidnapping and killing 12-year-old Laura Smither, 20-year-old Kelly Cox, and 17-year-old Jessica Kane in 1997.
We don't want them to forget that she was a person and not just a piece of paper.
Now, Reese is currently serving his life sentence down in Texas. His execution date has not yet been set. We're live in Bethany. Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.